You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready?
Nikki! Nikki, good morning! Hi! Hi, you're so beautiful!
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
Hey, Mommy!
Hey, my baby.
Hey, Mommy! Hey, Mama!
Achoo.
Спасибо, Mommy!
Thank you.
Крокодил. Суслик. Стыдно. Крутись. Лапка. Возьми. Держать. Можно. Бип. Нос. Тик. Ток. Умри. Охраняй. Назад. Поклон. Прячься. Закрой дверь. А если ты тоже хочешь научить свою собаку командам, переходи по ссылке в онлайн-школу дрессировки Cree Dogs. Там ты увидишь интересные мастер-классы по цирковой программе. Ссылка в шапке профиля. Do you want this? Do you want this? You want it? Say yes. Say yes. You want it? Yeah? You want it?
Bang, bang. Good girl. Hey. Bang, bang. Good girl. Uncle Pop. Uncle Pop. Good girl. High five. Good girl. You are my best friend. My only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend. How much I love your best friend. Please don't take one Santana with me.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my...
Holy shit. Oh my god. You are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Beautiful! Yeah! You're so cute.
Willkommen in unserem edlen Salon.
Hi.
Was soll es sein?
Kurzhaar.
Einmal den Kurzhaarschnitt.
Ja.
Kurzhaar ist momentan voll im Trend.
Mhm.
Darf ich fragen, welchen Beruf Sie ausüben?
Ja klar, ich arbeite als Filmstar und Model.
Ah, da gehört ein gepflegtes Äußeres natürlich dazu. Voilà. Zufrieden?
Ja.
Da kam ganz schön viel Haar raus. Ich hoffe, Sie beehren uns bald wieder.
Bis bald.
So today my mom said it was time for a fluff cut and I said, Mom, the ladies love my long luscious sexy curls. If you cut it I'm gonna lose all my lady lovers. The bitch cut it off anyways. But damn, look at me. I'm the motherfucking Lion King. Can y'all hear me roar?
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I'll take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs.
Кайф, да?
Mushu, you want to tweet? You want to tweet? No. No, Mushu. Sit. Sit, Mushu. Sit. Rise up. There's a good girl.
Mi mamá me dice que soy la cosita más bonita de todo el universo Y si ella lo dice, será verdad, porque las mamás nunca se equivocan.